Okay, so we decided to go away today, just for the day. It's a day trip. And where the freaking heck was that place now?
Boardwalk Bird
Boardwalk.
Sanctuary.
We're gonna do the boardwalk. We're going to Pretoria, the Boardwalk Bird Sanctuary. We're gonna go and look at some more birds. Do bird watching. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have a good time. I hope you guys also enjoy it. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you some birdie stuff. Cheers.
I've got him.
Okay.
I've got him.
Babes.
I've got him.
Babes.
Pile on, guys. Pile on.
We built out a camper van, a Boxer 2004, to go traveling through South Africa.
Ja, alles daar zo. Kom laat even mee kom.
I'm an artist and Graham still works part-time, so we travel when we can. We've had the most amazing trip so far, local and further out.
Subscribe to see more.
Quite pleasant. It's a very unusual location because you come into like a shopping center. So that's where you feel like you're a little bit lost. But the dam is through there. So it says there's restaurants and everything so you can eat here. So this is the boardwalk we're going to go on. This looks beautiful. It's a beautiful coffee shop.
Vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean. This is our view. I'm going to get hello, Graham.
Hello. Sitting in vanilla green, yeah?
Vanilla bean.
Vanilla beans.
Get it right.
Bean.
Get it right.
Beans. Sorry, beans, guys. It's alive.
Lovely.
So here's a piece of biltong. It's for you. Do you want it? Yeah, we're in the middle of winter here, but
Yeah.
you know what? It's still fun. It's a nice hot day.
Nice coffee shop.
And it was a beautiful coffee shop that we went to. It was, I loved what we had there.
Quiche.
It was a quiche little thing with biltong in it, of all things. That was
lovely.
quite crazy, but I liked it.
Okay. So we bought bread for the ducks. I have fed a few. Sourdough. They actually sell beautiful sourdough there.
So we broke a piece off to bring for the fish. The birds. We're going to use the rest of it.
Yeah, so it looks stunning. They sell rye. I saw a gentleman and his wife come in and they must buy their bread there once a week.
Yeah.
Okay, it's Pretoria, but we're taking our sour bread home with us.
That's right, and I think this boardwalk isn't bad. It's a nice little place. And what is it in Pretoria? What place?
Menlyn.
Menlyn in Pretoria. So that's east. And these are the buildings around it.
Yeah, it looks the office park.
There are loads of these.
Yeah.
It's like a complex here with a big garden here, and this is supposed to be the bird sanctuary area. So we're taking a wander through here. Having a look and see where the birds are.
Yeah, we sort of look for different things. So this is something to do. I mean, for us, a coffee shop, Nice place to walk, feed some ducks.
Sit down and relax like
It's
this.
our ultimate thing
And
to
like
do.
it's a walk, so it's a little bit of exercise.
Yeah.
I love it. Beautiful. As we go, I've been dropping bread here so I can find my way back. All the way we do this so we can find a way back. It's a good idea, eh?
In the forest.
I can't see any bread. Where's the bread? What? I think we lost. I think the birds ate our bread. How am I going to get out here?
And you fall on your back.
This is at the end of the path. And there's all security fences here. Because there's a housing estate here, right here. Yeah, so it's a nice safe path to walk on. I really want to go away. I'm saying to Graham, I'm so in the mood to go away. Wow, it's looking beautiful, eh?
Yeah, these are the rings.
Yeah, but look how they're
You can
broken.
see lots of little rings. And this is how the water's gone on here and everything, and it's just in the age of old time and
Wow,
sun
that's beautiful.
decomposing like this. Now this isn't a big blackjack. This is just an old tree, and the blackjacks are growing in the sand that's in the gatherings.
So we found an old book in the, looks like a music book or something.
And it looks like it's got notes on it.
Yeah, in the river.
Musical notes.
I would think this place in summer is teeming with birds.
Yes, I would believe that it's true as well.
It is winter. So we ate at the Vanilla Bean, but there is another restaurant and Square Time ice cream.
Hello, Sydney!
Okay, so here I see this thing and I thought it was a bird.
Okay, so we've had our walk around here.
Very nice walk. It was like a little hike, and it was with a bird area and nature with plants and trees and all kinds of things, and we had a path to walk on, like a brick path. It was beautiful. We went down to like a little stream near the ends of the houses. I don't know if you did.
Yeah, it's going to be, it was shown.
Yes, that was a beautiful place as well. And I dropped bread everywhere to try and keep so that we don't get lost. When I turned around to go back, I couldn't even find my trail. The birds must have eaten it, so we had to crawl back,
Okay.
like soldiers when they're on their arms and arms and knees. It's just crawling back.
Okay, so we're going to say goodbye.
Yeah, we're going to say goodbye. I hope you've had a beautiful time with us. This is what we do. We love this type of environment and what we do. We ask that you share, like and subscribe if you can to join our vibe. We've got lots of these things in store. We also do kind of ratings of areas, personal ones of course. And I would say this one we would rate it about 8, 9, somewhere there, eh? 8.5.
Yeah, I think it's just a
a very
different
nice-
kind of thing to come and do.
The actual problem being, it's winter, middle of winter. There's a lot of birds here,
Yeah,
but
you
I
can
think
hear
in
them.
summer it's going to be wow.
Yeah.
So mark my words. Watch this space. I'll be back. Bye.
You know, we don't get ice. We can't ice skate. But the birds can. The birds can. This is the ice. Look how thick it is.
Yeah, it's got.
Look at, yeah, this is the ice that was in the bird bath.
I can throw it like a boomerang. Like a what do you call that thing? Where's the dog?
Zena!
Come fetch.
But it was in the, look at that, can you believe it?
Boom.
Stars on Zena. The stars on Zena. It's snowing. Ella, it's snowing. It's snowing, baby. It's snowing. It's snowing. Oh, it's snowing, baby. It's snowing, baby. Yeah. We get so excited about 5 drops of snow. Yeah. We get down, down, down. And there was my pancake. We're having pancakes today, Saturday.